Hi guys, Happy New Year. I know that last year was really tough, but I'm hoping that we will all have a great year. Today we're making dehydrated plantain chips. I'm using 2 plantains, which is about 3 servings, and I'm cutting them into 1/4 inch slices. Plantains are often seen as a starchy food, but they do contain some health benefits. Plantains contain rich amounts of fiber and potassium. Fiber may lower cholesterol as well as prevent colon cancer by alleviating constipation. Potassium can prevent blood pressure levels from increasing and muscle cramps. If you want to know more about the health benefits of plantain, the link is in the description box below. I'm going to place the plantain chips into my dehydrated trays. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can make these plantain chips in the oven. The instructions are on the website. Just click the link in the description box below. If you are using the dehydrator, line your dehydrated trays with parchment paper to prevent the chips from sticking to the trays. I also added stevia and cinnamon to some of the plantain chips, so that is why you see brown spots on some of them. If you want to know how to do that, the instructions are in the recipe notes. These plantain chips took about 10 to 12 hours to dehydrate. They came out beautifully. They were really good. As always, if you want detailed instructions on how to make these plantain chips, the recipe is in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.